Hello friends, let's see how to translate the language from one to another one using the Google Sheet. So let's open the Google Sheet. If you have the own, then you can use that one. I don't have, so I'm using the blank sheet for that. So just open the Google Sheet and open the blank document. I'm going to write some column name from where to another language going to translate it. So English, Hindi, Spanish, German and Urdu. Let's write some statement which we will use to translate it. So statement first, statement second one, and the third one. Google Sheet is just like a Excel sheet. We are using the same like formula. So in that I'm going to use the Google Translate function to translate from one to another one. So use is equal to Google Translate. It will ask three argument. Data is data. My data is available in A2 column. From which language? This is the English language. So EN is the code for that one. So EN, comma, then double quote. Again I'm putting the which language I'm going to HI for the Hindi. So just use that one and enter it. It will translate into the Hindi. Just drag the column and it will fill to another one. Similarly go for the Spanish one. I'm using the is equal to Google Translate. My data is A2 column and comma EN from the English to Spanish is ES. So I'm using that code. I will let you know where the go get the language code. Just hit enter and it will translate it. Just drag to the other column and it will translate to the respective column. Go for the German one as well. So is equal to Google Translate. My data is A2 from English to D is the German code, German language code. So I'm using that one and hit enter. It translate to the German. So wait for that. Now it translated. So drag the column and it will translate to other statement as well. So go for the Urdu one. Is the is equal to Google Translate. Use A2 column. Then use the English to UR. UR is the Urdu code, language code, and hit enter. It will translate into the Urdu. And just drag the columns and it will be populated to other statement. You can get the code in Wikipedia. Just open the Wikipedia and you get all the code of the language code. Thanks for watching.